Well, you've reached the end of this video, but the lesson doesn't end here. As a bulk flow professional, you know how important it is to keep things moving forward. And Pneumat wants to help keep your business on the right track with the help and resources you need to be successful. At Pneumat, we have years of experience in delivering bulk flow solutions all over the world. No matter how unique your challenge is, our expert team is committed to helping you clear it away. If you need assistance, give us a call right now to speak to a friendly bulk flow expert or check out our website for more helpful videos and information. Our company is always innovating, but one thing that will never change is our commitment to making sure your Pneumat equipment continues to serve you effectively for years to come. Now get out there and get your product flowing, and thanks for making Pneumat a member of your crew.